Coinbase versus Coinbase Advanced. Choosing the right crypto trading platform can transform how you manage your investments without unnecessary complexity. We'll explore Coinbase's simplicity and Coinbase Advanced's powerful tools for serious traders. Coinbase and Coinbase Advanced serve different types of crypto users. Coinbase offers a straightforward, beginner-friendly experience, while Coinbase Advanced provides advanced trading features and deeper market insights. The core difference lies in simplicity versus professional-grade tools. Coinbase is a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange designed for beginners and casual investors. It allows users to buy, sell, and store popular cryptocurrencies with an intuitive interface and easy navigation. The platform supports multiple payment methods and offers educational resources to help new users understand crypto basics. Coinbase operates with a strong focus on security and regulatory compliance, making it a trusted choice for first-time traders. However, its simplicity means it lacks advanced charting, order types, and real-time market data that professional traders might need. Transaction fees are slightly higher compared to more complex platforms, reflecting the convenience and ease of use. Ideal users are those new to cryptocurrency or those who want a hassle-free way to invest without managing complex trading features. Coinbase's streamlined experience ensures that users can quickly enter the crypto market and manage their portfolios with minimal learning curve. Coinbase Advanced is tailored for experienced traders who require sophisticated tools and detailed market data. It offers advanced charting options, multiple order types including limit and stop orders, and access to real-time market insights. The platform supports higher trading volumes with lower fees compared to the standard Coinbase interface, making it cost-effective for active traders. Coinbase Advanced integrates seamlessly with Coinbase accounts, allowing easy transfers between platforms. While it provides powerful features, the interface can be overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity and the abundance of data displayed. Security and regulatory compliance remain a priority, ensuring safe trading at scale. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and potential confusion for users unfamiliar with professional trading tools. The ideal user is a crypto trader who actively manages portfolios, performs technical analysis, and needs precise control over trades and order execution. Coinbase Advanced empowers traders with the flexibility and depth required for serious market engagement. Comparing Coinbase and Coinbase Advanced highlights a balance between ease and control. Coinbase is perfect for casual investors prioritizing simplicity and quick transactions without the need for complex tools. It's ideal for buying and holding crypto with minimal effort. In contrast, Coinbase Advanced suits active traders who demand detailed analytics, customizable orders, and lower fees on larger trades. Real-world scenarios show that beginners benefit from Coinbase's clean interface and educational support, while seasoned traders leverage Coinbase Advanced to execute strategies and capitalize on market movements. The trade-off is between accessibility and depth. Coinbase sacrifices some advanced features for user-friendliness, while Coinbase Advanced may intimidate newcomers but rewards expertise with powerful tools. Choosing depends on your trading style, experience, and how deeply you want to engage with the crypto market. Choose Coinbase if you want a straightforward, secure platform to start investing in crypto without the complexity of advanced trading features. Opt for Coinbase Advanced if you're an active trader seeking comprehensive tools, lower fees, and real-time data to optimize your strategies. Both platforms excel in security and reliability, so pick the one that best fits your trading experience and goals.